Okay, our next lab is to delete a line type. So I have created here a method called delete line type. We have the same code structure from here to here, and here I have set the current line type to bilayer because the objective is to delete the -2 line type. So basically we get the line type table, and then we set the current layer to bilayer, the current line type to bilayer. Then we loop through the line type table collection. Then for every iteration we need to get the line type table record. Then once we have the line type table record, we can validate now if the current line type table record that's being processed has a name of -2. If it does, then we need to execute this method here, upgrade open, so we can edit the properties. Now we can use this erase command and specify as true, and then we commit the transaction, and then just provide a message to the user that this line type has been deleted. We also have a try catch just to make sure that we capture if ever there is an error that we encountered. So this is about it. Let us save our project and rebuild the solution. Successful. Let us load our plugin. Okay, let us first check the line types. So we have 5. We need to delete the -2. Now we can delete line type. Yeah, line type deleted successfully. Let's verify again. -2 is gone. Alright, so that's about it for delete line type method. Try it out, load some line types, different line types, and delete any line type that you intend to delete and see how it goes. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.